And today I am going to explain this project on the topic of garbage management, a step towards a cleaner and sustainable future. The purpose of this project is to demonstrate how a systematic and well-coordinated approach can transform our city into approach to waste collection, segregation, recycling and disposal can transfer our city into a cleaner, greener and more sustainable spaces.
Allow me to walk you through our model. So, here you can see residential houses and public dustbins representing the starting point of waste generation. Here people must practice segregation at sources, dividing their waste into three categories. First of all, green dustbins, which include wet or biodegradable waste such as vegetable peels and food scrap. Second one is blue dustbins, which includes dry or recyclable waste such as paper, glass, plastic, etc. Third one is red dustbins, which includes hazardous waste such as chemicals, batteries and medical waste.
Next you can see the municipal collection trucks. These trucks collect door-to-door garbage and transport it to the dumping centers, which plays an intermediate point before the final processing. From there the dry waste is transferred to the recycling factory, where it is converted into reusable material, and the wet and organic waste is sent to the compost units and biogas plants, where it is turned into compost for agriculture and the biogas for energy production. And the municipal corporation building, which displays the central authority responsible for planning, execution and monitoring of all the waste management activities.
Municipality and citizens. The municipal corporation play a very important role in managing an efficient waste management system. It ensures door-to-door collection, recycling plants and composting units, and conducts awareness campaigns in schools and communities. The municipality must also impose strict laws and encourage eco-friendly alternatives to simple-use plastic. Conclusion: turning waste into wealth. In the conclusion, it is not just a problem, it is a hidden resource. It can create energy, generate employment and safeguard our environment. The future of waste management lies in collaboration, innovation and responsibilities. Thank you.
Cleanliness is just next to goodness. It is a foundation of sustainable society. So let's pledge together to contribute towards a cleaner, greener and smarter planet by managing our waste. Thank you.